Hi Art Angel! So, let's talk about soul contract. Soul contract are scripts attached to time and which is govern the scripts and have influences to you. And time is ruled by the planets and constellation, which is 7 days a week, 31 days a month, and 12 days a year. And when it comes to scripts, so ito yung life script na kasabi mo matatandaan na talagang addictive sa game dahil ito talaga yung reality ng 3D virtual reality ng simulation na ito, na which is lahat tayo is nakatira tayo dito sa planet, which is katulad din siya ng isang giant computer simulation game. So, which is yung soul natin in Latin word, it is called anima. And then yung anima, ito yung ginagamit nila na term, di ba, when it comes to animation. So, yung soul natin, is player din siya na which is pumasok ka sa game na ito with agree.